Get exciting riding experience by little self-maintenance and safe riding. Remove key from ignition switch before washing. Wash the bike from top to bottom and always use Yamaha lube shampoo for washing. Avoid high pressure water on switches, meter and electrical parts. Don't wash the vehicle when it is in hot condition. After washing, immediately mop your vehicle with cotton cloth and always use Yamaha lube polish for polishing. Check and maintain recommended clutch lever free play. Check for proper throttle free play. Ensure the chain is clean and free from dirt and rust and maintain recommended chain free play. Use Yamaha lube chain cleaner and chain lube for smooth operation and better life. Check front and rear brake pad wear indicator. Ensure ABS rotor is clean and mud free. Ensure front and rear brake fluid level is above than lower level mark. In idle condition, RPM should be between 1300 to 1500 RPM. Check engine for any abnormal noise. Ensure coolant level is within the specified limit. Ensure engine oil level is within the specified limit. Now let us see some riding tips. Ensure enough fuel is available in fuel tank for your ride. Check the nuts and bolts for proper tightening. Adjust rear view mirror position according to your height. Check tire condition and always maintain correct tire pressure. Keep cleaning rag, first aid kit and tool kit under the rider's seat. Push the self-start button and check for smooth starting and battery condition. Check for any leakage, that is engine oil, fuel or coolant. Check light indicator and horn for proper functioning. Immediately approach to nearest Yamaha dealership if warning light glows continuously. Ensure there should not be any sponginess in front and rear brakes. For effective braking, apply front and rear brakes simultaneously after releasing throttle. Brake disc surface should be oil and grease free. Safety gears are for your own protection. Always wear them while riding. For better balanced ride and less fatigue, always have correct riding posture. Always follow the traffic rules. It is for your own safety. Motorcycle is meant for two persons. Avoid overloading. For any repair and maintenance work, always approach to the nearest authorized Yamaha dealership. Follow these simple tips and checkpoints and enjoy smooth and safe riding.
Revs your heart, Yamaha.